Yeah man, you're watching Come Chat With Me. And we're at the grand opening for Major Ives Kitchen and Juice Bar out here in Flatbush. Yeah, the vibe's up right now, the line long, crazy, people just keep rolling in. But you see right now, I got digging in a veggie roti here right so. Come chat with me style scene, so keep it locked. Ziggie Bless, with ya.
Major Ives is an ambassador of Caribbean culture, using his seamless accents, comedic timing, and true-to-life material to connect people from all walks of life. And behind the humor is a serious commitment to Caribbean unity. Major Ives proudly presents the grand opening of his new restaurant, Ives Kitchen and Juice Bar, serving the community with authentic, traditional, and infused Caribbean dishes. The line was out the door as fans and supporters came for a taste of the excitement.
Major Ives, I go on with big things, brother. Congratulations, man. What go on, man?
My day I go on hold it, it's a blessing, you know. To finally have a different entity aside from the comedy, something that we could give back to the community, create jobs and work for the community, and also this is a community where I grew up at, you know what I'm saying, Rutland between Bedford and Rogers when I just come from, you know, them place there, you know. We're gonna do, you know, Ives Kitchen New York, Ives Kitchen Queens, Ives Kitchen Atlanta. We're about to do Ives Kitchen Florida. We're gonna venture off into Toronto and these places. So I mean, we're just creating, you know, our own communities so that we can help out the community. Like I said before, create work and jobs for the people them who, you know what I mean, need works in our community.
What's on the menu, man? What them can expect?
Ah, boy, well, expect everything. You know what I mean? We have Caribbean food. We don't just stick to one ethnicity or one culture, you know what I mean? So we have roti, we have jerk chicken, we have escovitch fish, we have oxtail, the traditional foods, curry goat. We also have a vegan menu. We also have, you know, our own stuff, you know, our own specialties, chicken and waffles, shrimp and waffles. We have pineapple fried rice with curry chicken. We have all of these things, you know what I mean? So you just gotta come in, check out the menu. And it's all at a reasonable price, you know what I'm saying? We're still on Flatbush Avenue. We're not in Manhattan. You know, we're not downtown New York. We're right here in the heart of where the Caribbean is.
Who are you, mommy? What's your name?
My name is Marva, as in marvelous.
Very, very nice. I see you was eating earlier. What were you having?
I had oxtails and rice and peas.
What are you gonna have today?
I'm gonna definitely try the curry goat and the tropical paradise drink.
So nice. And what do you think about Major Ives open up a restaurant in the community and all of that?
Oh my God, I was so hyped for the opening. I had to come here today, and I love the little makeup and setup. I'm definitely gonna come back again.
What do you think you're gonna have today?
Oh man, I hope I get some jerk chicken. That's where my spirit is leading me today.
For real, man, there's a line in there and I think you have a little way to go.
I've seen it. I was like, man, but I'm happy. I'm happy that people came out today to support this young brother, to support black-owned business in our community. These businesses mean so much to us in our community, and to see him and where he started on social media and for him to go from there to here is amazing.
Come in and get your natural juices, fruit, granola, sarsaparilla, you know, all these different, all the good stuff. You know, the wheatgrass, the everything. You know what I mean? The tiger bone, the budgie, all of these things to build back your immune system and more, you know? We open 6 days a week, you know what I'm saying? Sunday we close because that's traditional. I don't know about the new era, but we cook on Sunday. You know what I mean?
At home.
Yeah, at home. So if you can't cook at home, you're there by your own.
My name is Denise Clark Michael, wife of Mega Sharks.
Mega Sharks, oh you're not there. I thought more ask you. Alright. What are you having?
Well, this is the chicken roti. It's amazing. I'm having the curry goat roti.
And how is it?
Oh, it's awesome, just as I expected.
What are you having?
Curry goat, rice and peas. Right up.
A beer?
Beer bone left. Yes, good, yeah. You see? Eat a full line.
Escovitch fish and rasta pasta.
And how was it?
It was great.
And you're definitely coming back?
Of course, fish with pasta.
How was it?
Excellent, excellent.
So you will be definitely coming back?
over and over again.
Come chat with me.